should be ready. Up the umu.
Oh,
Come on, Abu, you're part of this. Here we are. The umu. We'll put it down here, right? We're just going to bring out the umu already. I'm filming you.
Okay.
Where's Thea?
She's probably...
Oh, I'm hungry. Hey, I'm hungry now. I am hungry. Woohoo! For my family. Yeah. Wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. This. Look at him. Eton Road. Please don't come over at this time. Oh my gosh, it's so... Please don't visit us at this time because we're going to have a nice umu. I know I shouldn't be saying that, but yeah, so this is us here. We are now getting ready to have the umu. All right, this is Lily. Thank you for joining us. So I showed you when we're putting the umu down, and then I showed you when we're taking the umu out.